Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through JADS, that is nothing but a joint application design. So joint application design is a process used in a prototyping lifecycle area of the dynamic system development methods, DSDM, to collect business requirements while developing new information system for the company. The JAD process also includes approaches for enhancing user participation, expanding the development and improving the quality of the specifications. So basically this helps in joint development of design. So basically more than one or two people will work on the same designing process. Okay, yes, you can go through the rest of the theory, guys. And the next concept is a Pareto principle or Pareto analysis. So basically Pareto principle states that, so if there are 100 issues in your code, okay, yes, so in this situation, or bugs you can say, so if you resolve 20% of them, automatically the rest of the 80% will be removed. So this concept is called as Pareto principle, guys. Okay, so even there is an analysis method that you can just go through it, guys. So the same is here, guys. So the Pareto chart is more commonly known as information system personalized as 80 to 20. So the 20% that causes 80% of the frequency. So basically if you resolve the 20%, you are indirectly going to resolve those 80% of the issues also, right? So that is Pareto principle. You can just go through the rest of the theory, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so I hope everyone knows about prototyping, right? So I'll be just giving you the introduction about that also. Okay, so basically what is prototyping, guys? So whenever someone asks you to build a product, okay, so assume that you are asked to build a physical product like a pen or something. So in that situation, instead of getting the exact measurements and all those things and giving that your product to a company to make the pen and delivering it to your client, it is always better to make a dummy prototype, right? So the best dummy prototypes for physical objects is 3D printing, right? So just by using some filament you can directly 3D print it, right? Yes, so that is the concept of prototyping. Means you are creating some small dummies which resemble the exact length and the exact physical structure of the original pen. So that concept is prototyping, guys. So we are having the prototyping SDLC methods also, so you can just revise them and please go through this concept, guys. Okay, yes. Okay, so in the next lecture let us continue with the risk testing, guys. Okay, yes, so let us meet in the next lecture. Thank you, thanks for watching.